Today we're diving into a topic that's essential for our health, the importance of hydration and how much water you need. Water is not just a basic necessity, it's a crucial component for our body's functioning. From regulating body temperature to supporting digestion and cognitive function, adequate hydration plays a vital role in every aspect of our well-being. But how much water do you really need? Join me as we explore the science-backed recommendations and practical tips to ensure you're getting enough fluids daily. Let's discover together the key to staying hydrated and feeling your best. Today, we will talk about the importance of hydration and how much water you need. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button, also subscribe to my channel. Hydration is fundamental to maintaining overall health and well-being, as water is essential for numerous physiological functions in the human body. This comprehensive guide explores the importance of hydration, the roles water plays in bodily functions, factors influencing water needs, signs of dehydration, and practical tips for staying adequately hydrated. 1. The role of water in the body. Water is a vital nutrient that accounts for approximately 60% of an adult's body weight. It serves critical functions in nearly every bodily system, including temperature regulation. Water helps regulate body temperature through processes such as sweating and evaporation, which cool the body during physical activity and in warm environments. Nutrient transport. Water acts as a solvent, facilitating the transport of nutrients, electrolytes, and other substances throughout the body via the bloodstream. Digestive function. Water supports digestion by helping dissolve nutrients and aiding in the breakdown of food particles for optimal nutrient absorption. 2. Factors influencing water needs. Individual water requirements vary based on several factors, including age, sex, body size, activity level, environmental conditions, and overall health status. Key factors influencing water needs include climate and temperature. Hot and humid climates, as well as high altitudes, increase water loss through sweating and evaporation, necessitating higher fluid intake. Physical activity. Exercise and physical exertion increase fluid needs to replenish water lost through sweat and to support muscle function and performance. Pregnancy and breastfeeding. Pregnant and breastfeeding women have higher water needs to support fetal development, milk production, and hydration. 3. Daily water intake recommendations. The amount of water needed daily varies among individuals, but general guidelines provide a framework for optimal hydration. Recommendations for daily water intake include National Academies of Sciences, Engineering and Medicine (NASEM) guidelines. For men, approximately 3.7 liters, or about 13 cups, of total water per day, including fluids from beverages and moisture in food. For women, approximately 2.7 liters, or about 9 cups, of total water per day, including fluids from beverages and moisture in food. 4. Sources of hydration. Meeting daily fluid needs involves consuming a variety of fluids and hydrating foods. Water. Plain water is the most effective and calorie-free way to stay hydrated. Drinking water throughout the day helps maintain fluid balance and supports overall health. Beverages. Other fluids such as herbal teas, fruit-infused water, milk, and diluted juices contribute to daily fluid intake. Limiting sugary drinks and beverages high in caffeine or alcohol, which can have diuretic effects, is recommended. Hydrating foods. Many fruits and vegetables have high water content and contribute to hydration. Examples include watermelon, cucumbers, oranges, strawberries, celery, and spinach. 5. Signs of dehydration. Recognizing the signs and symptoms of dehydration is essential for prompt intervention and maintaining health. Dark urine. Dark yellow or amber-colored urine indicates concentrated urine due to insufficient water intake. Pale yellow or straw-colored urine suggests adequate hydration. Fatigue and weakness. Dehydration can lead to feelings of fatigue, weakness, and decreased physical and cognitive performance. Headache. Mild to moderate dehydration may cause headaches and impair concentration and mood. Dizziness or lightheadedness. Severe dehydration may result in dizziness, lightheadedness, confusion, and even fainting. 6. Tips for staying hydrated. Incorporate these practical tips into your daily routine to ensure adequate hydration. Drink water regularly. Sip water throughout the day rather than waiting until you feel thirsty. Carry a water bottle. Keep a reusable water bottle with you to encourage frequent hydration, whether at work, school, or on the go. Set hydration goals. Aim to consume a certain amount of water by specific times of the day. Finish 1 bottle by noon. Hydrate before and after exercise. Drink fluids before, during, and after physical activity to replenish water lost through sweat. Limit caffeine and alcohol. These substances can increase urine production and contribute to dehydration. Consume in moderation and balance with water intake. 7. Special considerations. Certain populations and conditions may require extra attention to hydration. Older adults. Aging can affect the sensation of thirst and kidney function, making older adults more susceptible to dehydration. Encouraging regular water intake and consuming hydrating foods is important. Athletes and active individuals. Athletes and individuals engaging in prolonged or intense physical activity should adjust fluid intake to account for sweat losses and maintain hydration during training and competition. 8. Hydration and health. Maintaining adequate hydration supports overall health and may offer additional benefits. Digestive health. Water aids in digestion, prevents constipation, and supports gastrointestinal function. Kidney function. Water is vital for kidney health, supporting the kidneys in filtering waste products and maintaining fluid balance. Heart health. Proper hydration supports cardiovascular function by maintaining blood volume and circulation. 9. Monitoring and adjusting hydration. Individual hydration needs can vary day to day based on activity level, environmental conditions, and health status. Monitoring hydration and adjusting fluid intake accordingly helps maintain optimal hydration levels. Keep a hydration diary. Track fluid intake and urine output to gauge hydration status and identify patterns. Hydration is essential for maintaining health, supporting bodily functions, and promoting overall well-being. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. Before you go, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.